Hello WordPress people. So in my previous video we talked about directive called WP each, and in this video we are going to learn further for WP each. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what I am doing in this video. Otherwise continue watching. So this is the directive we talked about in the previous video. So let me quickly open my custom interactive block plugin. This is the plugin which I am using to demonstrate all of these directives. So let's open the VS Code. This is my repo plugin BWP Interactive, and let me quickly start the npm. So npm is now running. Let's open src render.php. So yeah, in the previous video, let's go to the post interactivity, and these three products we rendered using WP each directive. So this is I have defined the products array into the context, and that context I have used over here. Now let's say I want to display more things, like I want to display the product ID as well. So what we're gonna do is that we will convert this into the multi-dimensional array. So let's say again we will use product 1, and then let's display the price only instead of ID. So I have now converted it to the multi-dimensional array. Instead of this product, I will say name. So we have the product name and product price. So in this directive, so I am now going to remove this, and then these products have two keys, name and price. So let's display the name first, like this. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, it should, no, sorry about that. So it should be like this. So yeah. So context.product will refer to each item in the array, and then from that item, if we want to display name, so again we have to go further and write the name over here. So whatever the key we define over here, that needs to be specified here. So now our product name will be displayed like this. And now let's try to, sorry about that, let's try to display the price as well. So the price key is this, so that is why we have to add the price over here. So this is how we can use the multi-dimensional array for WP each. Now another thing we need to observe with WP each, we have another WP each child directive. So whenever we use this directive WP each, this directive will automatically apply to the child of the parent element. So if I inspect this, and if you observe this, let me zoom a bit. If you observe this data WP each child is automatically applied to each of the div. So this happens because it makes sure that the hydration works as expected. So what is hydration? So hydration is something like these elements are coming from the server, and then we have to connect these elements with JavaScript to perform some actions like removing the element, rearranging the element, updating the element. So that is called hydration, where we connect the data or element coming from the server with the JavaScript, so that when we perform interactivity, for example, if we remove this element, then other element stay as it is without re-rendering the whole section of that element. So that is called hydration. So yeah, this directive just makes sure that the hydration works as expected, nothing else. We don't need to add it by our own. It will be added automatically when we use DataWP chart. So yeah, this is how the DataWP this is how the DataWP each works. And yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. So if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development.